Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a kind-hearted young girl named Lily with her grandmother. Lily was always looking for ways to help others. Lily's heart was full of compassion. One morning while playing, Lily found something unusual. It was a small, shiny pot decorated with sparkling gems. The pot seemed to twinkle in the sunlight. As she picked it up, the pot began to hum softly. Lily, curious and excited, whispered,
"What are you?"
Surprisingly, the pot spoke. "I am a magical pot. I can grant you one wish, but you must promise to use it to help those in need."
"I promise I will use your magic to help those who are poor and hungry."
Lily ran back to her village, eager to see if the magic really worked. She met a poor family in the village square. Their home was small, and the father looked worried.
"Would you like something to eat? I think I can help."
I would, but I have nothing to give in return.
Kindness doesn't need to be repaid. I just want to help. Please give us food, magical pot.
A delicious aroma filled the air as the pot overflowed with all kinds of tasty food. The family gasped in disbelief, their faces lighting up with joy.
Thank you, Lily.
This is more than we could ever have dreamed of.
One day, the village faced a great storm. Many people were left without food or shelter. Lily rushed to the village square with the magical pot. She whispered her wish, and the pot responded with its usual sparkle. This time, however, it didn't just give food. It created shelters made of warm, soft blankets and sturdy branches for everyone to take refuge under. The villagers huddled together, grateful for Lily's kind heart and the magical pot that had helped them through their darkest hour. One day, the pot spoke to her for the last time. "You have used my magic well, Lily, but now you no longer need me. Your heart is so full of kindness that the magic is within you. Wherever you go, your kindness will light the way for others."